Namaskar friends. In last lecture we have completed the example number 26 and exactly similar to same one theorem 1. We discussed the composition of three function. Right? Theorem number 1, HOGOF equal to HOG of F. Now we continue the discussion, the composition of function. Look exercise. Exercise 1.3. First we discuss the question number 1. Here we tick mark. Question number 1, right? Look here. First question our. Question 1. F is the function from 1, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 5. We draw the Venn diagram. 1, 3, 4 and codomain 1, 2, 5. Here the function F. Clear? Now we draw the function G, domain and codomain, right? Function G 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5 and here 1, 3. Now the relation for function F 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. Okay. So our range of the function F is 1, 2, 5. Right? So range of the function F is 1, 2, 5. Yeah. And domain of G is here also 1, 2, 5. So range of F is the subset of domain of G. That means we calculate and composition of function is possible. Right? Okay. Now relation of G. 1, 3, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1. Clear? Okay. Now for the function domain is called X and our answer in function F, it is called Fx. Now Fx put in G function. For the G function Fx, it is called X. For the G function Fx is called X. So we get the answer G O F X. We get the answer G of Fx. Is that clear? Okay. Now first we decide domain and codomain. So function GOF, we start here domain F and ending up the codomain form G. So our domain of GOF is 1, 3, 4 tends to here 1, 3. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now we continue the discussion. Now place the value 1, 3, 4 domain. So GOF1. So G of F1 and F1 answer is 2 and G2 answer is 3. Our answer is maximum value 1 and 3, right? Because here the codomain is 1 and 3. Okay. Now GOF, place the second value 3 here. So first G of F3 and F3 answer is 5 and G5 answer is 1. Now GOF4. So G of F4, right? So F4 answer is 1 and G1 answer is again 3. Is that clear, student? So our question, we find the GOF is here completed. But we discuss the more about in this question. we find also FOG, possible or not. We check here. First, again, now we first the function g. This is our function g. Then we write the function f. Okay. Now what about say the function of g 1, 2, 5 and 1, 3. 1, 2, 5, 1, 3. And the function f 1, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 5. 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. Clear, student? Now relation g function 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1. 1, 3, 2, 3 and 5, 1. And the function here g function for range is 1, 3. Right? Here 1, 3 also is the elements in domain of F. So one range of G is the subset of domain of F. That means we calculate continue composition function. Okay, the relation F 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4, 1. Okay, for the function g, domain is x, we get the answer gx. Gx, it is called range of g. Now gx for the function fx, it is called x. Right? Now put gx in function f, we get answer f of gx. Yeah, f of gx. Is that clear, student? First we decide domain and codomain. We start the value here 1 to 5 up to last one 1 to 5. 1 to 5 tends to 1 to 5. Okay, now calculate here FOG1. So f of G1 and G1 answer is 3 and F3 answer is 5. Okay, second value FOG2. So f of G2 and again G2 answer is 3 and again F3 answer is 5. Right? Now third calculation FOG5. 1 and 2 completed. Now third value 5. FOG5. So F of G5. F of G5. G5 answer is 1 and F1 answer is 2. Is that clear, student? Okay. Now continue the next question. Look your textbook. Yeah, now we discuss the question number 3. Here we directly find GOF and FOG. Total two sums are given. Very easy, very easy. We calculate here. Yeah, FOGX. So F of GX. GX is what? Modulus 5x minus 2. For the function f, this is your x. So what about say function f? Function fx is modulus x. First we write modulus and put here this value. But we cannot here 2 times modulus, so we write only the 5x minus 2. Is that clear? This is your FOGX. Now we calculate GOFX. So G of fx. So G of fx is modulus x. Okay. For the function g, modulus x say x. What about say modulus gx function 5x minus 2, sir? 5x minus 2. Put here in place of x, we write modulus x. So we write here directly modulus x. Right? So final answer 5 modulus x minus 2. Here we compulsory we take the modulus. Compulsory. Right? For the function g and whole modulus again. Because gx function is whole modulus 5x minus 2. Whole modulus 5x. This is your x. Modulus x is your x. right? So final answer modulus 5x minus 2. Modulus 5 modulus x minus 2. Your final answer. Clear? Very easy. Now second question. Fx equal to 8x cube, gx equal to x cube. We calculate in notebook our. Fx equal to 8x cube and gx equal to x raised to 1 by 3. Right? Okay. Now f of g x, f of gx. Gx is x raised to 1/3. For the function fx, this is your x. What about say function fx? Sir, 8x cube. Put here in place of x, x raised to 1/3. Now power of the power multiply. So 3 will be cut. So our answer is 8x. Clear, student? Okay, now second g of fx. So g of fx. Fx is 8x cube. For the function g, 8x cube is your x. For the function g, x raised to 1/3. Now place here 8x cube. Yeah. Now we take individual power 8 raised to 1/3 and x cube raised to 1/3. Here power of the power cut. And cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of x cube is x. Right? So final answer here g of x is 2x. Okay, do you understood? Okay, now we discuss the question number 4. In question number 4, last statement is what is the inverse of f? We discuss next because here we come not discuss the inverse function. We discuss the only composite function, right? So for our question is f of fx is x. Now we write the fx. Fourth question. Look here, student. Question number 4. First fx equal to 4x plus 3, 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3, 6x minus 4. And final question f of fx equal to question mark. Okay, done it. Now we discuss f of fx. So f of fx. F of fx is 4x plus 3, 6x minus 4. Now again the function we use the fx. Right here fx. Yeah. 4x plus 3. And denominator 6x minus 4. Now for the function fx, this is your fx. Place here. 4x plus 3, 6x minus 4. 4x plus 3, 6x minus 4. Now cross multiplication here. Cross multiplication, numerator and denominator. LCM are same here. So we cannot write here LCM. Okay. Direct the cross multiplication. So first multiply 4 4s are 16 plus 12. 16x plus 12 and plus 3 multiplied by this bracket. So 3 6 are 18x and 3 4s are 12. And denominator again 6 4s are 24x and 6 3s are 18. And minus 4 multiplied by here. Right? 4 6 are 24x and 4 4s are 16. Numerator plus minus 12 cancel, denominator plus minus 24 cancel. So numerator sum of these two x is 16 plus 18, 34x, and denominator 18 plus 16 again 34, 34 cancel. So answer will be x. This is your final answer. Is that clear, student? Okay, now we continue the next sum. Look at textbook. Okay, exercise 1.3, question number 1, 3 and 4 completed. Now next question, composite function. Yeah, question number 13. Look here, function f r to r be given fx equal to 3 minus x cube raised to 1/3. And we find again f o fx. Okay, just we solve here. Which question? 13. Okay. Question number 13. Right? So fx equal to 3 minus x cube raised to 1/3. And our final question f o f x is question mark. Okay. Now calculate f o f x. So f of fx is 3 minus x cube raised to power 1/3. Again we use the function fx. For the function fx, again we use x. Remember here student, we write here function fx 3 minus x cube raised to 1/3. Right? Now place here this value of x. So 3 minus x cube power 1/3. Now first we open the curly bracket. Open the curly bracket. So power of the power cancel. Now open the curly bracket. 3 minus. Open here. So minus 3 plus x cube raised to 1/3. So 3 again cut. X raised to 3 whole power 1/3 cut. So answer is we get the only x. Okay student, clear? So here we discuss the FOFX. Answer is C option. Okay. Now we discuss the miscellaneous exercise. Look your miscellaneous exercise. I think one of the sum are given for composition function. Look the exercise here. Composite function here. I think tick mark, yeah. For the quadratic equation, question number 3. Again, f r2 are defined by fx equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. We find the f o fx. Okay, question number 3. Right? Continue the discussion. Question 3. fx equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. And our final question, FOFX equal to question mark. Okay, now FOFX, right? Just hold it. FOFX. FOFX equal to F in a bracket fx. Now put here for fx function value x square minus 3x plus 2. Again we use the function fx. This one say x. Now place here. For the function fx is x square minus 3x plus 2. Now place the value of x here. X square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. Now apply the its standard formula a plus b plus c whole square formula. Remember? Yeah, I remember. A square plus b square plus c square. Then 2ab. 2ab is negative because 3x is negative. So 2 3s are 6 x cube. 2 into x square into 3x. 2 3s are 6 x square into x cube. Yeah, right. Then again 2bc negative. Yeah, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12x. And 2ca. 2 2s are 4x where? Right? 2ca, right. Now here open the bracket. Here the before the minus sign, so all the sign change here. So minus 3x square plus 3 3s are 9x minus 6 and plus 2. Clear student? Okay, now addition, subtraction, very easy. X raised to 4 only one time. Okay, now x cube again one time. So only 6x cube. Now x square, 9x square plus 14. 13 minus 3. So 10x square. And x minus 12x plus 9x. So minus 3x. Okay. Yeah, completed. Minus 12 plus 9 minus 3. Now constant term 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 6 cancel. So this is your final answer. Is that clear student? Okay, here so complete the lecture. So thank you very much.